Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome to this video. In this video, we're going to talk about making money as an affiliate marketer using two-page websites. It's a really simple strategy that I use all the time in promoting products, and it works absolutely amazingly if you implement it correctly. And I'm going to talk about it in this video, and I'm going to explain exactly how you can actually implement it in your business. All right, so guys, let me tell you something. When it comes to affiliate marketing, a lot of people complicate things, but in reality, it's not that complicated. You just gotta put these pieces together, and you just need to make sure they work together. And this is something really important. I'm gonna talk about making these pages work together, and that's something really important you're gonna see right now. So before I start, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this every single day. If you're brand new to my YouTube channel, I upload a video every single day, talk about affiliate marketing. I share different strategies, and sometimes I even take you to my computer and show you all the cool stuff and examples and everything. So make sure to subscribe, and also if you're a subscriber, make sure to hit that like button, and also leave a comment. Let me know what you think about the video. All right, so let's get started. Let me talk about this two-page strategy. This is one of the strategies that I use when it comes to promoting products. And let me tell you something, guys. The thing is, if you promote a product, you should not just focus on one type of campaign. Like the way I do it usually is that when I'm choosing a product to promote, I do a lot of things for that product. I build a website, I build YouTube channels, I just build a lot of things around the product to make sure that my campaign is just strong enough. Okay, that's really important. So this two-page strategy is the core of about 50% of my affiliate campaign. So let me explain how this works. So a lot of people think that you gotta just take people through a lot of processes to just make that sell, which is at some points, sometimes it is true, you have to do that, but most of the times if you're selling a product that costs less than 20-30 bucks, let's say 50 bucks, that would be the max, I think. You don't have to really do too much work to make it happen. Here's how I do it for most of my affiliate campaigns that are and most of the products that I sell that cost less than 50 bucks. So the way I do it is I create a simple website with two pages. Okay, so let me just draw these. Okay, so two pages. So all right, you see them. Sorry, it's going down. So these two pages, they do two different things. For example, they land on the first page. And by the way, when it comes to traffic, I focus on paid traffic. I almost never focus on free traffic. I have videos about free traffic on my YouTube channel. You should definitely check it out. But I'm not a fan of free traffic. So it's paid traffic. It's usually coming from ads, Google ads, Facebook ads, from different places, native ads, and all of that stuff. So what they do is they land on this page. Let's say I'm promoting a weight loss product. Okay, so they land on this page. There is a really interesting headline, and because the first page is content, there is something really important about it that you need to understand. And I have a template actually when it comes to writing content. I have a template, and I share that inside Gold Masterclass. So I'm gonna leave a link under this video. Check it out. That's gonna take you to the Gold Masterclass. You can, it's a free workshop. You can sign up for it. I'm gonna give you all these templates and everything. But this is really the thing is, when it comes to the first page, you gotta make sure that you don't bore people with too much content. So I have a headline here, and there's a little bit of content, like maybe three lines or a paragraph maybe. Okay, and there's gonna be pictures. Okay, and then some more content, maybe another paragraph, and then this is the interesting part. There's gonna be a button, and this button is gonna ask him to click the button to read more, and it's gonna take him to this page. Now this is really important. This is an important step. Let me explain why. I talked about this a little bit in my previous video on creating review websites as an affiliate marketer. So the thing about this part is that you want to make sure that people engage with your page. Okay, so if someone's landing on your website, you want to make sure they engage with it. When it comes to writing articles, even short articles, like 2-paragraph, 3-paragraph articles, the thing is, people just go through it quickly and they're not going to do anything. Most of the times they just close the page and leave. You don't want that. Okay, so what you want to happen is that you want them to do something on your page. Sometimes people do a list building, like they ask people to sign up to a list. I do that all the time too. It depends on the campaign. But in this case, what I do is I ask him to click on the button, and that button is going to take him to the next page. And next page is really important. There's another headline. So basically what you want to do when you send them to the next page, you want to make sure that you remind them that, okay, they're on the same website. So so the second page shouldn't be like a completely different page with a different color or anything like that. You should follow the same theme. Okay, so you want to make sure in that headline, you want to ensure them that they are on the same page, they are on the same website. So it's not completely a brand new thing suddenly, because when you do that, they leave, and I've talked about that affects your conversion rate and sales and your sales a lot. Okay, so I have a headline. Usually what I do is I have a video. This is the pre-sale video. That's really important, and I talk about pre-sale videos a lot inside Gold Masterclass. Again, link is in the description. You should definitely check it out. So, and there's a little bit more content, and then there's going to be my button that takes them to the affiliate site. Okay, so this is how I do it. This is how I create 2-page websites that make me over $25,000 a month. Simply, I start with a simple, really small article, and then send them to another page, and they have to click because you want them to engage with your content. It's not that complicated, but there's a lot of details, like writing this article, how to make it engaging enough, especially if you don't know how to write good content. So all the templates and everything, this is something I give you inside Gold Masterclass. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to learn more, if you want to have all these templates and learn how I do these stuff in detail, and if you want to see me actually building them in front of you, you should definitely check out Gold Masterclass. It's a free training program. It's a free training workshop that you can just sign up right now. It takes you 2 seconds to sign up, and I'm going to take you through everything step by step. You're going to see me my screen, and you're going to get a lot of awesome resources, and you're going to actually have a lot of awesome training videos. So definitely check it out. Link is in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to leave a comment. Let me know what you think about this video. All right, so let me know what you think about it, or if you want me to talk about something specific in future videos. So leave a comment, and also like this video, subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscriber yet, and I'll see you in the next videos.